Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to use focus mode to actually get work done. If you find yourself getting distracted, switching between apps, or losing momentum, this simple setup can help you stay locked in and productive. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, turn on focus mode on your device. Whether you're using your phone or computer, focus mode is designed to limit distractions by silencing notifications and blocking non-essential apps. Before you begin, decide on what kind of work session you're about to do, so you can tailor your settings accordingly. Next, choose what to allow and what to block. Don't just turn everything off blindly. Allow only the apps or contacts you truly need, like your work tools or important calls. Everything else should be muted, so you're not tempted to check messages or scroll. Now, set a clear time block. A focus session works best when it has a defined start and end. Try working in 25 to 50-minute intervals, followed by a short break. This keeps your energy high and prevents burnout while still making steady progress. Before you begin, decide on one specific task. Focus mode is most effective when you're not multitasking. Pick a single priority, whether it's writing, studying, or completing a project, and commit to finishing or advancing that task during your session. And there you have it. Turn on focus mode, block distractions, set a timer, and commit to one task at a time. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.